Welcome to Say It Another Way. Today we'll be looking at 3 highly similar words as well as an idiom: loud, loudly, aloud, and out loud. Are they the same? Have you ever wondered how to use them correctly? In this video, we'll examine their similarities and differences. Before we dive in, let's have a little quiz. First, look at the following sentences. She read her poem aloud in class. She read her poem loudly in class. She read her poem in a loud voice in class. She read her poem loud in class. She read her poem out loud in class. Are these sentences grammatical? Do they mean the same thing? I'll give you the answer to these questions after 10 seconds. The answer is they are grammatical and they all mean the same thing. But why? Now let's look at them one by one in detail. The word aloud is an adverb. An adverb is used to provide more information on the manner or state of a verb, adjective, or sentence. Notice that the word aloud has 2 meanings. The first meaning is, in a loud voice that is easily heard, and this is the meaning we are talking about. I'll give 2 further examples. This boy always protests aloud that he has received no financial support from his parents. The churchgoers say the prayers aloud in congregation. Another meaning is saying one's thoughts in a way that can be heard. In this sense, it is not synonymous with in a loud voice. I'll provide 2 sample sentences for your reference. How am I going to spend my weekly allowance? Sally wondered aloud. Don't mind her, she has a habit of thinking aloud. As for the idiom out loud, it is generally interchangeable with aloud. Therefore, we can replace the word aloud with out loud without altering the meaning of all the examples we've gone through. Then, let's look at the word loud. It means making a lot of noise. It is an adjective and it describes a noun. Let us consider the following examples. Our teacher is a loud speaker. She does not need any microphones for her class. The background noise of the video is too loud for me to make out what the narrator is talking about. My neighbor threw a loud party at his home last night. You may notice that aloud can also be used to describe noises other than human voices. Now, let's look at the word loudly. Loudly is the adverb from the adjective loud. Let's consider the following examples. There was an old man snoring loudly in the library. I have no idea why she always has to speak so loudly. In an informal context, loud can also be used as an adverb. It has the same meaning as aloudly. Therefore, we can form the following sentences. Speak louder, or no one can hear you. Stop playing the music loud, or I'll call the police. These sentences can be rewritten using the word loudly as follows. Speak more loudly, or no one can hear you. Stop playing the music loudly, or I'll call the police. So, to sum up, we use loud and loudly to describe a situation where a lot of noise is made, and we use aloud and out loud to describe a situation where someone is talking in a voice that can be heard. These 4 words mean the same only when we are talking about a situation where someone is talking, speaking, or reading to someone else in a loud voice. Loud is an adjective and an adverb, and the remaining are adverbs. Now, let's have another short quiz to test your understanding of this topic. Are the following sentences grammatical? You'll have 5 seconds for each question. Sentence 1, I need to study, and I don't want any loud music near my room. This sentence is grammatical. The word loud is an adjective and provides further information about the word music used in this sentence. Sentence 2, boys, stop talking loudly. You'll frighten the animals. This sentence is grammatical. The word loudly modifies the action of talking. It can be replaced with loud in an informal context. Sentence 3, Betty loves reading her poems out loudly even when no one is listening to her. This sentence is ungrammatical. The expression out loud is a fixed usage and it is wrong to say out loudly. However, it is acceptable to interchange out loud with aloud in this sentence. Sentence 4, stop throwing tantrums. Just say what you want to say out loud. This sentence is grammatical. It is acceptable to interchange out loud with aloud in this sentence. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed watching the video, please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your encouragement means a lot to me. See you next time.